Experience our no-cost carbon emission calculation and reduction software for your business. Before we explore the product, if you're curious about the benefits of investing in sustainability, visit our website for the ROI calculator. It helps you understand your investment returns, payback period, and potential carbon reduction for your company. Feel free to experiment with the tool to see where you might want to invest and what the ROI could be. That's our ROI calculator. Now, let's introduce Carbonly. Carbonly is an emission calculation software that lets you calculate Scope 1, Scope 2, and Scope 3 emissions effortlessly. For new users, start with the onboarding section by entering details about your company, industry type, and employee count. Next, input information about your facility, with the option to add up to 10 facilities. Then, include data related to your Scope 1 emissions, covering stationary combustion, mobile combustion, fugitive emissions, and process emissions. Each section uses different data sources and types. Customize the units and add details as they're available, with the option to update for improved data quality. Moving on to Scope 2 emissions, which include produced energy, steam, heating, and cooling, and access detailed data on consumption, units, and calculation methods. Calculate your Scope 1 and Scope 2 emissions based on the provided data. Clicking Continue shows a summary of all the data you've entered. After selecting Finish Setup, you'll create new data sets. If no data is entered yet, check out the dashboard using existing data. The Carbonly dashboard displays emissions by type and footprint. Track trends in your carbon footprint and explore reduction opportunities, scope emissions by type and by vendor. Dive deeper by clicking individual scope sections like Scope 1 to see the breakdown by source. Observe trends, hotspots, and grasp your data for Scope 1 and Scope 2 emissions. Currently, Scope 3 emissions are not available, but will be added soon. For data sharing, go to the Share Data section, enter an email, and click Share Emissions Data. Easily share emissions with larger customers in one click for supply chain integration. You can also download GHG protocol compliance reports from our software. Work with a consultant for report drafting, or download a basic GHG protocol compliance report in one click. Explore the reduction module to spot emission hotspots. Choose areas for emission reduction and find vendors. These vendors are part of our product, allowing you to reduce emissions easily. If budget is an issue, apply for green loans through our approved lenders on the platform. Explore the Settings section to update data, manage access controls, admins, and users. That's how Carbonly functions. We hope you find it useful. Thank you for watching.